installation process, you will be given the WhatsApp group number Extractor project. You have to unzip this project. After unzipping, you have to go inside the folder. After going inside, you have to type CMD. After writing CMD, you have to press enter. When you press enter, the command prompt will open. Now you have to install node.js. For that you have to follow document. Documents will give you the node.js link, which is the official website of node.js. You have to download node.js from there. After downloading, you have to install the APK file. After installation, you have to restart the laptop or personal computer. After restarting, you have to go to the project again and type cmd prompt type and enter. Then you have to enter node.version to check whether node.js is properly installed or not. As you enter, you will get the version of Node. After that, you will check the version with npm version. Through this, you will get the version of npm. After that, you have to install Node model. To install Node model, you have to give npm I command. Through this, your Node model will be installed. Now to run server, you have to give node server.js command. Through this, your program will run in the port. You have to copy the port and open it. You can see that your project has been successfully installed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.